In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front wheel speed sensor on your Mini Cooper. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 9mm socket and an extension, I'm going to take out this bolt for this speed sensor. Remove it, and also the hardware that comes with it. And now we're going to remove our speed sensor. Hopefully it just comes out. Sometimes they get stuck. And now we're going to continue on to this bracket on the strut. You're going to use a pry bar and push this out of the bracket. And now we're going to move on to this one here, same thing. I did use some penetrating oil for both of these. Our cars are a little rusty. And now I'm going to unclip our wear sensor wire off of our speed sensor wire. Just pull that away and follow it all the way down. Once that's separated, we're going to go underneath and under here and undo the connector. So now we're underneath, below the transmission, and we're going to undo our connector here. To do that, you're going to press in on that tab here and just wiggle it out. It might be a little tough to get disconnected since it has lived underneath the vehicle for a while. So after you remove that, you're going to finish taking off this. Pull the tab like you did on the other side, and just let this come through and remove it. So now I'm going to slide this in. It only fits one way. And once you find that way, you're going to press in, and it should click when it's connected. It may be very subtle, so just double check, make sure it doesn't come apart, and it's flush. Now we're going to feed this through. The same place you took it out. I'm going to feed it all the way through and let it dangle. These were not secured anywhere, so they look like they belong up here where this bracket is, so I'm going to go ahead and connect those over there. And now we're going to wrap this wire around this side. There is like a little divot here where this wire fits in. And you want to just push that on. And now we're going to move our way to the front. Now we're going to feed our wires up. And as we go, we're going to connect these holders. Now we're just going to attach this speed sensor to the other wire. And attach this one here. And keep working our way down. Let's feed this one in here. And I'm just going to insert this, or just put it off to the side. And now we're going to feed this into here. Having this facing down. Make sure these are rubbing on here and not the wire. And now we're going to insert it into the knuckle. Now we're ready to put this in. I'm going to slide it into the hole. Make sure there is no rust or debris. Do not shove anything in that hole. Put the hardware down and put our bolt through. I'm using a socket so it's easier to start. And now let's snug that up and torque it. Now we're going to torque this to 60 inch-pounds. Remove your tool. If you have any codes, you're going to need a scan tool to erase those, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.